A major update now on a case we've been staying on top of for 4 years. Today, a Boise federal grand jury convicted 5 people in the counterfeit cell phone conspiracy case. Now, we were there as the United States Attorney for the District of Idaho held a news conference this afternoon. Take a listen.
This scheme went on for more than a decade, and the convicted defendants sold over $41 million in counterfeit products during that time.
The United States Attorney for the District of Idaho, Josh Hurwitz, announcing a major update in that multi-million-dollar counterfeiting scheme on Tuesday.
After a 2-month trial, a Boise federal grand jury convicted 5 defendants on multiple counts for their roles in a criminal scheme in which they smuggled counterfeit cell phones, chargers, and batteries into Idaho from China and fraudulently sold them online as new and genuine products.
Those 5 people are Paul Babichenko, Peter Babichenko, Timothy Babichenko, David Bibikoff, and Mikhail Yeruslimits.
Each of these defendants faces up to 20 years in prison and a $5 million fine. 2 defendants, Christina Babichenko and Anna Yeruslimits, were acquitted of the charges against them.
Hurwitz adds multiple agencies worked on this case, gathering more than 100,000 pieces of evidence.
At trial, the evidence showed that over the course of 10 years, the convicted defendants participated in a conspiracy that violated intellectual property rights and endangered the safety of the public. They did this for their own financial gain.
He goes on to say the evidence showed those involved in the scheme executed it in 3 steps. First, they obtained the counterfeit cell phones and cell phone accessories in bulk from unauthorized manufacturers in China. Then they ran several businesses out of the Treasure Valley, repackaging the fake products and selling them as genuine and new on Amazon and eBay. And whenever Amazon, eBay, Apple, or Samsung identified the counterfeit scheme and requested that they stop, Hurwitz says the convicted defendants ignored those warnings, changed their business names, or lied in order to hide their scheme.
This multi-million-dollar counterfeit goods scheme and the investigation was one step in our global effort to prevent criminals from profiting from unsuspecting consumers. It saved the consumers millions of dollars, protected U.S. intellectual property, and took 5 bad actors out of our international marketplaces.
And the U.S. Attorney also went on to thank the jury for its service, saying they heard more than 2 months of evidence. He also thanked the court, the trial lawyers, and the multiple agencies that had a hand in this, including the FBI and Homeland Security, as well as the Boise Police Department, Meridian Police Department, and Ada County Sheriff's Office. And he adds those 5 people are released right now pending sentence, which is scheduled for November 2nd and 3rd.